Are you ready to take your audio content to the next level? Welcome to AudGram, where your audio transforms into stunning audiograms that capture attention and boost engagement like never before. Imagine effortlessly turning your podcasts, interviews, and stories into eye-catching videos that grab your audience's attention in a world where visuals reign supreme. AudGram makes it possible with our one-click audio-to-video conversion. That's right, with just a single click, your audio becomes a visually rich audiogram, ready to be shared across your favorite social media platforms. But wait, there's more. Our AI-powered transcription and captioning features automatically generate accurate captions in over 60 languages. Whether your audience speaks English, Spanish, or Mandarin, AudGram ensures everyone can follow along with your content, breaking language barriers and expanding your reach. Have you ever wished your audio could speak with a voice as captivating as its content? With our text-to-speech technology, you can choose from a variety of lifelike voice options to create the perfect voiceover for your audiograms. Your audience will be engaged, impressed, and wanting more. We understand that aesthetics matter, which is why AudGram offers a huge library of customizable templates. Pick from professional, attention-grabbing designs that align with your brand and make your audiograms truly stand out. Plus, exporting your projects is a breeze with support for multiple formats: 1:1 for Instagram, 6:9 for YouTube, and 9:16 for TikTok and Stories. Need to make some quick edits? Our advanced editing tools let you trim, resize, and sync animations effortlessly, making it easy to fine-tune your content until it's just right. And with unlimited projects and no watermark, you can maintain your brand's consistency while managing everything seamlessly. Worried about storage? Don't be. AudGram provides 50 gigabytes of data storage and retains your projects for up to 30 days, so you can easily revisit your creations whenever you need. Best of all, enjoy lifetime access to AudGram with just a one-time payment, no recurring fees. So, if you're ready to transform your audio content and catapult your engagement, try AudGram today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more exciting updates and tips. Elevate your audio experience with AudGram, where sound meets visual storytelling.